Good afternoon, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Miss Vonita here. It is such a beautiful day today. I am in such better spirits today. I love it. I hope everyone is having a wonderful, fabulous Friday as I am. I am on my way to my parents' house to meet friend there and finish up the pedestal or the beam on the front porch, and then I'm probably going to head to his house. I don't feel like driving all the way back to my place, so I'm gonna probably stay there, and I'm going to finish up editing a video, and that's pretty much all I got going on today. I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing tomorrow, but I just wanted to jump on here, open up this new vlog, and say hello to my peoples. All right, I will pick you guys up in a few. Bye. So guys, I am finally done assisting. I did not plan on getting sweaty and dirty today, but unfortunately I was summoned to help out. So we are headed to a friend's house where we can get this funk up off of us, this dirt up off of us. I had to shake my hair like I don't know how many times because I felt like bugs was in my hair. It was like, ew. You know how when you pull wood down, you know, whatever critters behind there, little bugs and stuff, be flying everywhere, and you got wood chips flying. I'm like, ew. But yeah, we are gonna get dressed. Nothing spectacular. I'm just gonna throw on something and go get something to eat. If not, we're probably gonna pick something up and then bring it back to the house and eat, because I don't feel like going nowhere and doing nothing. I gotta go to work in the morning and I'm a little sleepy. So I will pick you guys back up if there's anything else going on. All right, bye. Happy Saturday, beautiful people. I do apologize. I have not been having my microphone plugged in lately, and I think that might be affecting my sound. Hopefully it's not, but please forgive me. I've been all over the place. So I am headed to go and pick up some of my things, and then go and check on the progress of my mother's address that friend is making. He's going to cut out the wood, and he's going to put the numbers on there, and then put it over the garage this time. And it used to be on the banister or on the pole that's on the front porch. I don't know what that thing is called, but yeah, we're gonna go over here and check on the progress of that, and then I don't know what I got going on for the day. It's nice outside. It's supposed to be like 90 degrees. This is probably one of our last nice, well, I'm not gonna say nice days, one of our last hot days. I'm not mad at it. I'm ready for, you know, a little cooler weather, but I gotta get me some more jackets. And I am pretty much running out of time right now. underneath my vest at work, and I only got like two. One of them got all kind of holes in the wrist because I don't touch door handles, and they laugh at me all the time because, you know, it's been hot outside, so I've been wearing t-shirts. I haven't had anything to, you know, tuck my hand into to open car doors, open door handles. So I've been using these paper, the little napkin things you clean your glasses with. That's really like my go-to. Or just when I come out of the bathroom, I grab another extra paper towel and I use that to walk up and, you know, through the hallways or whatnot. But yeah, I can't do door handles. They give me the heebie-jeebies. You know, I tap them down, but I'm back in there washing my hands. I know you're supposed to let some kind of germs into your system, you know, but yeah, I'm not with that. Oh, you guys, I am behind a horse. I be feeling bad the way they transport some animals sometimes, but I'm sure they're comfortable. I know they can't be, you know, transporting animals and have them all cramped up and stuff, but yeah. So I will pick you guys back up a little bit later. Goddamn. You know you can't get a baby outfit out of Walgreens, right?
You keep talking about baby outfit.
You can't get a baby outfit out of Walgreens. Can you get in the store?
I'm in the store. I walk to the door. Alright, no phone for baby.
I don't like you.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, happy birthday. La 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 la. It's your birthday good. La 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 la.
How old is she?
3.
She would adore that.
Okay.
Because when she opened it, just talking to her.
Okay. That's what she costs. Guess you could get that in gift instead of on the card.
Hey guys, so I am sitting back, chilling, relaxing. I haven't decided on if I wanted to go out of the house tonight, but yeah, I was a little tired this morning after, you know, standing out there fighting the bees over my mom's house. Came home, took me a nice little hot shower, and then sat back, relaxed to watch me some SVU. But I do have a package from Halo Black. This is the company that supplies the Nassau type accessories for your vehicle. And they have sent over a lovely little air freshener. This is the air freshener. I have already assembled it because it was a few pieces. It is very simple and easy. It is a magnet. You can see right here, you just pull it up and it comes loose. This is the air freshener you pop in and it just snaps right on there. I have attached the piece that goes from the review mirror. If you do not like to have things on your review mirror, you can also use any of their accessories that they have for the dash, or you can have the one that clips on to your car vent. So they do have a few different accessories that you can also purchase to go with the new air freshener. And y'all, it smells so freaking good. It gives you like the nice little air pockets there where the fragrance comes out of, the front and the back. So if your air is blowing directly on there, it's just blowing out into your car and your car smelling divine. So they sent that over, and then these are the refills that go into the air fresheners. It will come in a pack of 2, and they come like this that are in here. And then they also send 4 additional fragrance cards that I usually take stuff like this because you know, if you got the little trees, I put them underneath my seats and things like that just to have my car smelling really good. I did open up A, and it smells like a rose, and that's what it says on here. It is rose. Let me show you what that looks like. You can see. Yes. So these little cards you can just put underneath the seat, stick it anywhere in the car, on the dash, wherever you want it to, you know, the fragrance to come out. So thank you, Halo, for sending over that. This is a really nice accessory to my car and make me want to go wash my car right now and go take it for a ride just to smell good outside. It's nothing like getting in your car and your car smelling fresh and just good. Also, they do have the other accessories as well. You don't get the tree, but you get the little space shuttle type thing. Really cute. And it smells good. So, so good. In your box, they will send over some nice little cards. You know, you can get these to the kids, or if you're really, really into science, it will tell you on here. It's just like some little trivia cards. And they will have on here NASA Voyager, and this is all based on the Voyager 2. 1981, the rings of Saturn photographed by the Voyager probe. And then they will have the picture of what it looks like. Another one, fun fact, NASA Voyager 2, 1986. When Voyager 2 departed Uranus, it captured its final photograph of the planet. And this is what it looked like. So this is a nice little fun thing to hand over to the kids in the back seat, and they can sit and learn a little bit of history about NASA and the Voyager. And you will also receive the instructions on how to put together your unit. This is just hanging the string on there. I only hung it on the back part of mine. I didn't hang it on the front. I didn't feel like untying the string, but it just tells you right here, and you can put it on your visor, or you can put it on the mounts that they sell. So run over to my description box, click the link for Halo Black, and you will get 10% off your accessories. These are based on the Tesla models, but again, you can use them in other model vehicles, as you can see right here, for other car models. So this is not just for Tesla, but these are for my Tesla girls and boys out there in this world. Yeah, I'm finna sit back and relax, sip the rest of my tea, and I'll pick you guys back up later. All right, bye.